Hello everyone, welcome to Developers and Coders Club. Myself Vishal Singh, and today we are going to discuss a problem named presents. So what you have to do in this question, basically you have to understand this large storytelling. All you have to do, you have to understand this large storytelling. So right now I'm going to make you understand what this question was saying. This question is saying that you are given with n number of people. This 4 is representing n. Okay. So these are the people, second, third, fourth, and first person, and these persons are being gifted by their index. Okay, it means that who is gifting second? Who is gifting second? First person. First person is gifting second. Who is gifting third? Second person is gifting third. Who is gifting fourth? Third person is gifting fourth. And who is gifting one? Who is gifting the first person? Fourth person is gifting the first person. On what you have to output? You have to output first person was being gifted by which person? First person was being gifted by fourth person. Okay. Similarly, second person was being gifted by first person. Third person was being gifted by second person. Fourth person was being gifted by third person. Okay. So this was the only problem. Now we are moving to the logic of this question. So let us consider this example. Okay, so what we are going to do in this question is we are going to take input in vector pair. In vector pair, let me make you understand why we are going to take this input in vector pair. Suppose this was our input, and when I'm taking input in vector pair, I'll take the second element as its index 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this will be the index of these elements. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to simply sort this vector according to first element. Okay, after sorting, this vector will look like 1 2 3 4, and with 1 it's 4, with 2 it's 1, with 3 it's 2, with 4 it's 3. Okay, after sorting, our vector pair will look like this. Now what we have to do, we have to simply see out this second element of this vector pair. This will be our final answer. 1 4 1 2 3. I guess this was our answer. 4 1 2 3. Yes. Okay, so let's move to our final part, that is code. So in this question I have simply taken input number of persons in t, and what I am doing right here. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm taking the input, and in the same time I am storing the index of each and every input. Okay, understand this thing very carefully. I'm storing the index of each and every element. Now what I'm doing, I'm sorting my vector according to first element, and after that I'm simply displaying what I have you shown. I'm simply displaying this second element. I'm simply displaying this second element by this vi of second. Okay, so this is our final code. I hope I am very clear from for this question. Thank you.